Here we have a Marx 52290 set, and there's the box, but the locomotive in it was a Marx 666, which was made from about 1955 on. And this is a 242 wheel configuration. This is newer than 55 by somewhat, but there's a gondola after the tender, then very nice auto car with the 4 cars almost in mint condition, and then you have another box car. It actually has the little man in it, throws, moves out, and then you have a caboose. And this will run in forward, and it runs in reverse, and let's see it go. Smoke coming out, look at that. These little Marx engines have a lot of power. Just a pretty train. Okay. Let's watch it go in reverse. That's the Marx 666 locomotive and train, part of the Marx set.